I wish to speak to the whites today. We need to expropriate the land by force. Why should we negotiate or have public hearings?
One settler! One settler!
The land will be taken by force.
One settler!
Give back the land. We want the land.
Settler! 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 Settler!
Don't test our patience.
Look, if you want war, bring it on, we are ready.
White, homeless and unemployed.
Feels like everybody forgot about us.
White poverty in South Africa has doubled since the non-racial election in 1994.
Today it's white South Africans who are falling through the cracks.
In the 19 years since the fall of apartheid, more and more whites are coming face to face with poverty and social meltdown. Since 1994, the new government has carried out policies aimed at favouring black employees in a bid to do away with the imbalance of the past. What this means is that white people are often overlooked when applying for jobs, college bursaries and public positions. In this brave but often unsettling new South Africa, there are many who feel washed up and unwanted. A controversial affirmative action policy sees blacks take precedence over whites on the job market, giving some people little choice but to move into tents and caravans in camps such as this one.
There are an estimated 80 white squatter camps in the Pretoria area alone. Across South Africa as a whole, there are an estimated 400,000 whites living in these conditions. Census figures suggest an estimated 8,000 white households live in shacks. Since the world has fallen silent on this ongoing genocide, the white South Africans have nowhere to go and are forced to rot away without food, water, safety, or shelter. They are given no help from their government or from the UN and other humanitarian groups. Babies are born on top of a trash heap with hardly any food to eat. Genocide Watch has declared genocide in South Africa, and the whites are currently in stage 6. There are only 8 stages. These whites are facing complete extinction, and the world has turned its back on them. There is a complete media blackout when it comes to the genocide in South Africa. Only a few brave outlets dare to cover this situation. The powers that be wish for this bloodbath to be kept in the dark so that white people around the world won't learn the truth and try to help, or even realize that what is happening in South Africa is now coming to their own doorstep.
The blacks comes first, and then the white.